Now we'll discuss another problem under problem on equilibrium of bodies. That is 3 bars pinned together at B and C and supported by hinges at A and D as shown in figure from a 4-link mechanism. Determine the value of P that will prevent motion. Here AB is 1 bar, BC another bar, CD another bar. Total 3 bars. These 3 bars are supported by 2 hinges at A as well as D and 2 joints at B and C. Now we have to determine the value of P that will prevent the motion. That means we have to find the value of P so that the body is in a equilibrium condition, that is in a rest condition. Now here A and D are hinge supporting bars, AB, BC, CD are the bars, AB, BC bars are pinned at B, BC, CD bars are pinned at C, BC and CD pinned at C. We have to determine the value of P that will prevent the motion. Here how to approach the problem. At joint C we have 3 forces, that is force at BC and force at CD as well as P, 3 unknown forces. And at joint B we have 3 forces. One is force at AB and force at BC and 200 Newton. So here 1 known force, 2 unknown forces. So we have to start with free body diagram at B, not at C. Here because of these pins, the compressive forces are acting, not tensile forces. That means the compressive force is acting towards the body. That is FAB is acting towards the point B. FBC is acting towards point B. If you consider free body diagram at B. If you consider free body diagram at C, FBC is acting towards C and FCD is acting towards C. As in the case of free body diagram at C, 3 unknown forces, and at the case of free body diagram at B, 2 unknown forces, 1 known force. That's why we'll start with first free body diagram at B. Here free body diagram at B, FAB, this is FAB, is making an angle 75 degrees with 200 Newton force. FBC is making an angle 45 degrees with 200 Newton force. All these 3 forces are acting at a point B, Now draw 200 Newton force first. Newton force, and then FBC is traveling in this direction at an angle 45 degrees to the 200 Newton force. Say if it is 45, even this one becomes 45 degrees. As this is 45 now. Then FAB is making an angle 75 degrees to the 200 Newton force and traveling in this direction. Even this one also 75 degrees. This is F, BC and this is F, AB. Then this angle becomes, say, total 180 minus 75. This total angle, straight line angle 180 minus 75. 180 minus 75, which is equal to 105 degrees, and this angle becomes 180 as total angle 180 minus 45, which is equal to 135 degrees, and this total angle 45 plus 75, that is 120 degrees. Now we will apply the Lami's theorem. By applying Lami's theorem, F BC by sine 105, that is force by sine of angle between other two forces, that is FBC, and sine of angle between other two forces is 105 degrees, is equal to FAB sine of angle between other two forces is 135, is equal to 200 by sine of angle between other two forces is 120, which implies FBC is equal to 200 by sine 120 into sine 105 degrees, which is equal to 223.07. Then FAB is equal to, force along the bar AB is equal to 200 by sine 120 into sine 135, which is equal to 163.33. Therefore, FBC is equal to 223.07 newtons. This value is to be used while considering the free body diagram at C. Now we will consider the free body diagram at joint C. Here, two compressive forces are acting. One is compressive force at BC acting towards C, and compressive force CD acting towards C, and another unknown force P. So FBC is making an angle 60 degrees to the P, and FCD is making an angle 45 degrees to the P. FBC and FCD are compressive forces acting towards the body C, and FBC is making an angle 60 degrees to the P, and FCD is making an angle 45 degrees to the P. P and FCD is going up. This angle is 45 degrees. Even this one also becomes 45 degrees. This is FCD. Then FBC is going in this direction, upward. It is making an angle. How much? 60 degrees. Even this angle also becomes 60 degrees. This is FBC. Then angle between P and FBC, 180 minus 60. 180 minus 60 is equal to 120 degrees. And this one, 180 minus 45, which is equal to 135 degrees. And this angle, 60 plus 45, that is 105 degrees. Now we apply Lami's theorem. Say FCD by opposite angle sin 120 is equal to FBC by opposite angle, sin of opposite angle sin 135 is equal to P by sin 105. Here the known value is FBC, that is FCD by sin 120 degrees is equal to P by sin 105 degrees is equal to FBC value. It's calculated earlier, that is 223.07 by sin 135, which implies FCD is equal to FBC by sin 135 into sin 120 degrees, which is equal to 223.07 by sin 135 into sin 120, which is equal to 273.2 newtons. Now we will find the value of P. So P by sin 105 degrees is equal to 223.07 by sin 135 degrees, which implies P is equal to 223.07 by sin 135 degrees into sin 105 degrees, which is equal to 304.63 newtons. Therefore, the balanced force P, which will prevent motion of the body is equal to 304.63 304.63 newtons. Therefore, P is equal to 304.63 newtons. With this force, this body is in a equilibrium condition.